This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable tab grouping on the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To enable or disable tab grouping, Opera calls tab grouping tab islands. The way to enable the tab islands or disable them, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. As you can see, the keyboard shortcut for Settings is Alt+P. I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the Appearance tab. Then you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says Top Bar, and under Top Bar it says Manage Top Bar, and then it says Automatically Create Tab Islands. By default, that is probably toggled on, but to disable tab grouping, you would toggle this off, and to enable tab grouping, you would toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable tab grouping on the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.